Now tell us, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Georgios Kapsalis. I am from Smyrna, the burning city from Anatolia.
Why have you come here?
All Greeks living in Turkey were forced to emigrate to Greece after Greece lost the war with Turkey. The ship I was on brought me and others to the city of Thessaloniki. Here I became a police officer. In Smyrna, I was the captain of the police department in the Greek district.
He is lying! Lying! Don't listen to his lies! Why are you dressed as a shepherd then?
I'm not lying! Peace, brothers. We must know the truth.
After Chryssa took her life, all Armāns Macedonians, led by her bigger brother Yorgo, were hunting me to kill me. I decided to flee Greece, over the mountains to Albania, and then Italy disguised as a shepherd. But overnight, when I was trying to cross the mountains, I got lost and I stopped at that hut where the old man died to ask for directions. The rest you know. But I did not kill him. He died from heart attack.
But my uncle died because of you!
I have to leave Uncle Nastas. I have to go to take my uncle's body home. You judge him. God will show you the way.
God be with him and rest him in peace.
Father, please, I like to talk to you alone. It is very important.
Very well.
Now, my son, let your light of truth, turning the darkness in my mind into the light. Keep your darkness in chains and don't let it come out. The light of truth is guiding us even in the shadows. Let it lead you through the darkness. What we know is that 2 people died in your presence, the old man Kolalupa and the young girl Chryssa. Beside you killed 2 dogs and 1 poor mule. Is that so?
Yes. Please, Father, believe me. I did not want anybody to die. This was like a curse for me. But yes, they died because I was there causing their death. You have every right to judge me and even to kill me. The guilt is truly mine, but first let me atone for the troubles I have brought upon you. I can do you a great service.
And what good can you do us now, after bringing so many troubles upon us?
In the prison in Thessaloniki, there are more than 30 Armāns Macedonians Armatols held, your brothers. I can help you free them all.
I see you're in a joking mood. Which of us is supposed to believe you?
Father, I speak the truth.
Truth? I find that hard to believe.
I am in your hands. I'll bring you the proof that I was at the sheepfold and that I am the reason that Kolalupa died.
What proof are you talking about?
I hid my captain's garments at the sheepfold under a stone. The pistol is there in the grass where I killed the horse. Just tell Mitropituli to find them and bring them to the hut.
This police officer is offering us the help to free our 30 brothers held for years in Thessaloniki prison. What do you think about this?
It is hard to believe a Greek, but let us think this through carefully. Our brothers in prison deserve every attempt, however unlikely success may seem.
Listen, Kir Kapsalis, my name is Toli Karatana. I was an officer in the Greek army, the big war.
So you accept that the guilt is yours, that 2 men died? It is mine. How can you possibly free those 30 Armatoli from that prison? It has such a reputation that not even a bird flying over it could escape. Beneath the prison lie 2 ancient tunnels dating back to the time when Thessaloniki was conquered by the Roman Empire. On the site where the prison now stands, there once was a vast palace. In the middle of the palace, they had built a large pool where all the guests would indulge themselves after getting drunk. Every morning, the slaves would drain the dirty water from the pool through an underground tunnel that led outside the palace. Afterward, they would clean it thoroughly and refill it with clear water, brought through a second underground tunnel from a river that still flows today outside the prison.
But where do you know all this from? How are we supposed to know these aren't just stories meant to put people's minds to sleep?
These are not stories. I have seen the signs with my own eyes. Before I was appointed as a gendarmerie officer, I attended a 6-month training school inside that very prison. I became friends with the prison engineer, Stereos Zotis. He and his team of technicians repair everything that needs fixing in the prison. One night, without anyone seeing us, we descended through a secret door, blocked by a large stone, into a basement room. One wall had 2 iron doors that opened onto the 2 tunnels. We had barely opened one of them when we stepped into a dark, damp tunnel. Zotis took a flashlight from his belt and led the way. After about half an hour of walking, we began to hear the sound of water, as if a river was flowing above us. Zotis signaled with the light for me to look up at the tunnel ceiling. There we saw a kind of iron wheel above which a hatch was visible. He reached for the wheel, turned it 3 times upward till it finally opened outward. I stuck my head out a little and looked around. We were about 30 meters outside the prison. The river was flowing right in front of me, only 2 meters away. I know all this from Zotis. You can ask him yourself, because he still works there. One more thing you should know. In my veins flows, in fact, the blood of old, ancient Macedonians. My great-grandfather moved with his family to Smyrna, where I was born. He changed our name from Kapsali to Kapsalis so we would blend in with the Greeks. They baptized me Georgios, but my grandfather Stergiou never let me forget who I truly was. Blood does not turn into water, he was telling me.
My name is Yanku Bakula. Let's assume that we're going to believe everything you say and that your story is true. Tell us what your plan is and how you're going to implement it. If we let you go today, what are you going to do? Where are you going to go and what are you going to tell the gendarmerie?
Where have you been until now? Where did you disappear to for 3 days? Where are your captain's clothes?
Shepherd, where have you been?
I went into the mountains to find where the Armatoli bands are hiding. I disguised myself in shepherd's clothes so I could approach them and blend in. I'll tell the police that last night I caught Mitiu Vlahu and took him to the prison in Thessaloniki. I'm going to explain to Mitiu in detail how to reach the tunnel together with all the other Armatoli.
Well, this Kapsalis lost his mind. This guy could sell us and buy us like lambs in the marketplace.
And how he is going to take me to prison. You will surrender to me willingly.
Still, it's hard for me to believe this man. But there are Armāns Macedon Kapsali families living in Thessaloniki. I should speak with them. Perhaps you'll believe me when I tell you that one of your own, a man I saw standing among the Armatoli, is a traitor. Where was Vasily, son of Gajdu, when you brothers met at Nashu Babatsili house? He was not with us. Vasily had not been in the village during the fight. Are you certain? This changes everything. We must find him.
Where is Vasily Gajdu? Bring him to me! You listen to everything we say, and then you let Gajdu report our plans? Where were you last night, Vasilis? Kneel, traitor! Forgive me! Forgive me! Treason among Armāns Macedon brothers is punished by death, traitor! Stand up and look into my eyes, traitor! You betrayed us all. Forgive me, brother! May God forgive you!
He has paid the price.
Kapsalis' plan for you to surrender and be taken to the prison in Salonik is good to me now.
I believe it.
Uncle Nastasi, I took from my grandfather Dechu 20 mules. I'm in my way to Yanica with my men to help our boys from Flamuria to escape from that prison. God be with you, my son. He will show the way.
Good luck to you!
Tell me one more thing. How do you plan to bring our brothers out of the prison and back here to the cave?
I have a plan, Father. I've thought about that too. We will put together a caravan of 10 carts carrying 10 families dressed as Greeks looking like refugee families, men, women, children, and a few old people. We'll need 10 tents. The refugees will spend the night on the bank of the river that flows beside the prison. 3 tents should be pitched on the riverbank facing the prison, right where the tunnel exit is. The middle tent must be placed directly over the mouth of the tunnel so the Armatoli can come out through it. I understand, it will be done. Good, see to it. The darkness will help the Armatols cross the river unseen. Then they will climb into the carts, 3 to each one. Within 2 hours, the caravan must reach Yanitsa. From there, you know the way to the cave.
Now I understand why they made you a gendarme commander.
Thank you, Father. It is an honor. The question is who is going to put together the caravan with 10 carts full of Armāns disguised as Greek refugees. I'll take care of this part. Leave the caravan to me. My village is not far away from Yanitsa, and half the people there are my relatives, all brave men from the Bakula clan. Very well! Now let's see which captains can come to Yanitsa to drive the carts. Don't worry about a thing. I have a few cousins who are perfect for this job. They've been waiting for an excuse to join an adventure like this. It's 3 o'clock. Let's move. Mikchu, tell my nephews to bring the weapons into the cave. Few of you unload some blankets, rugs, and goat skins from the cart and give them to your men who are in need. It will be done.
I have to talk to our brothers waiting outside for the verdict of Kapsali's judgment.
The time has come to tell you about the decision we have made concerning this gendarmerie captain, whom our brave Mitru Pituli brought to us for judgment. His name is Georgios Kapsalis. He was born in the city of Smyrna. The name of his great-grandparents was Kapsali. And as you well know, this is a Macedonian name, one of our own. Listen to the decision we, the council, have made. As you know, in the prison in Salonik, there are 30 Armatoli in prison, brothers of ours. Uncle, what does this Greek do with the Armatoli locked up in Salonik? We should cut his head off!
Let's hang him!
Hang him!
Hang the traitor!
What do you want? To see one man hanged? Or to see your 30 brothers standing here among you? Which is better in your eyes? To hang him? Or to set him free so he can bring our brothers out of prison?
Set him free!
To bring our brothers back!